In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upgrade your Trello subscription. Upgrading your plan can unlock extra features like more automations, advanced workspace controls, and better support. So let's walk through the process step by step, right from inside your Trello account. First, open your browser and go to your Trello dashboard. This is the main page you see after logging in, where your boards are listed. Make sure you're signed into the correct account, especially if you use Trello for both personal and work projects. You want to upgrade the account and workspace you actually use most often. Once you're on your dashboard, move your cursor to the top right corner of the screen and click on your account profile. This is usually shown as your avatar or initials in a small circle. Clicking this opens a drop-down menu that gives you access to your account-related options. From that drop-down, select the option labeled Settings. This will take you away from your boards and into your account settings page. Think of this area as the control center for everything related to your Trello account, including personal information, security, and of course, billing. On the settings page, look for the section or tab called Billing. Go ahead and click on Billing. This is where Trello keeps all the details related to your subscription, including your current plan, payment method, and invoices. If you ever need to update your card details or check what you're paying for, this is the place to come back to later. Inside the billing section, you should see an option that says Compare Plans. Click on this. Trello will show you a comparison of the different subscription levels, such as free, standard, premium, and any enterprise or business options that might be available. Take a moment here to look at what each plan offers and think about what you actually need, whether that's more power-ups, extra storage, or advanced permissions for teams. When you've decided which plan fits you best, look underneath that plan for a button that says Upgrade Now, or a similar upgrade button. Click on that button under the plan you want to move to. At this point, Trello may ask you to confirm your billing details or payment method. Follow the on-screen prompts, review the pricing and billing frequency, and then confirm the upgrade. Once everything is confirmed, your Trello subscription will be upgraded and the new features should become available in your workspace.